Alright, man, what's going on, guys? Whew. 19 degrees this morning. Right now it's about 35. We're going to talk about the Calimer transmission, my experience. And we're at the 2,000 mile break-in. It's a full, or excuse me, it's 3,000 miles for a full break-in. Calimer says you can hammer on it at the 1,000 mile mark. Now let's talk about my experiences. This is just my view on this transmission. So again, it's a noisy transmission. It's calmed down since new. You can still hear the whine. You also hear these profound vibrations or hums. It turns into a vibration at about 3,000 RPM. Now, that's calmed down also. I'm hoping it's gonna go away, but I don't think so. What it's changed, or how it's changed the car from a standpoint of quietness, it's just the cabin noise is a lot louder. Now my setup is 9-inch long tubes, X pipe going into a 3-inch, long tubes are 1 7/8 inch. We got over the axle Borlas into GT500 mufflers. My restrictor plates for the Boss are on. It's unbearable with them off going down a highway. Not a comfortable situation. So anyways, from a cabin standpoint, the cabin is a lot louder. If you're going to travel in the car, I don't recommend that. It's just, you know, unless you like lots of noise, there's a vibration. 4th gear, 3,000 RPM. That's the noise we're hearing. So sorry for an interruption, but those moments I got to capture so you guys can hear. Going down highway again, long trips I don't recommend. They're tolerable, but man, it's just rough. So what I like about your transmission is that it works. I know it's secure. It's not going to fail me. We just did some track time, and of course, no issues. It's clunky when it's cold, extremely. It doesn't want to go into gear, but I think that's normal. And MT82 stuff, that's just normal. I like the gearing. It's slightly taller gears than the stock MT82. But I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you hear the transmission. I'm going to tell you what gear we're in. That's the whole point of this, is so you guys can hear it. And again, if you're out thrashing on the weekend, this is transmission for you. I'm hoping this thing is going to quiet down for me after the next 1,000 miles. It hasn't changed much from 1,000 to 2,000, but it changed a lot from 0 to 1,000. So I'm happy about that. Am I all the way happy? No. Is it working for me? Yeah. Am I going to keep it? More than likely. So anyways, I'll let you guys hear it. We're going to downshift in a second. About 2,500 RPM. Now that funny rattle vibration you're hearing is my blowfish racing brake. It quiets down as you move on. Third gear, 3,000 RPM. in there long enough with that vibration. It used to vibrate the chair, the seat. I could feel it there. That has come down dramatically, but it's still there. Not as bad. And we don't have any check engine lights coming on as I'm staying in that area. Much more tolerable than before, and maybe that 1,000 miles is going to just quiet it down more. That would be great. I'd be ecstatic, but I won't find out this year. It's already almost Thanksgiving. We're 2 days prior to. So yeah, that's it, man. We'll probably get that other 1,000 miles on for next year. We got a lot of work to do on the car, getting it dialed in. We're into the 1190s. Still spinning. So next year we're going to concentrate on that and working on traction, and we still plan on getting our head work done. It just hasn't happened yet. So guys, that's going to wrap this video up. And by the way, too, it's probably a bad time to mention this. If you don't know already, our production's going to be low. It's going to be slow just due to the cold weather and getting out. The garage is cold. I got it warmed up this morning to maybe 35 degrees. And in fact, that was workable from 19. Yeah, it is what it is. We'll do our best to continue what we can. We're just gonna have to cover off some other topics. We might make some garage visits. I've been thinking about that and trying to get some folks lined up with some cool stuff there. But yeah, that would be good. So guys, again, appreciate your support and your patience with me, and we'll get this car moving. It's still gonna be a badass build. Even though it's not a max effort car, it might be a max medium car, but hey, it's all good. Gotta love these bosses. They run great for what they are. And yeah, so it's all good. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, guys, and have a great day, and y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks and take care.